Hello, viewers, and welcome. My name is Dr. Cosmas Chikwawawa. Today, we are looking at the subject, the difference between a theoretical framework and a conceptual framework. Firstly, let's look at the importance of both frameworks in the context of research. Theoretical and conceptual frameworks are respectively important components in a research that help to guide and structure the research. Both guide the research process, helping the researcher to precisely guide the research direction. They help to ensure coherence between research objectives and research methods to be applied. They enhance the legitimacy and credibility of a research while also enabling sound data interpretation. Students, researchers, and others involved in research usually ask whether the theoretical framework is the same as the conceptual framework, or whether the two serve the same purpose. Now let's look at the differences between a theoretical framework and a conceptual framework. Although these frameworks work hand in hand, they are different from each other and they serve different purposes. A theoretical framework provides a general or broader set of ideas undergirding a study, explaining phenomena by applying a theoretical lens, while a conceptual framework refers to specific or narrower ideas a researcher utilizes in his or her study, explaining the concepts and variables involved in the study and the relationships between or among them. While a theoretical framework guides the overall approach to understanding the research problem, a conceptual framework provides a detailed map indicating specific variables to explore and analyze. A theoretical framework is based on existing theories which have been tested and validated by other scholars. On the other hand, a conceptual framework is based on the concepts which are the main variables of the study. Also, while a theoretical framework is in the form of a theory or a set of theories, a conceptual framework is a researcher's own constructed model to explain the relationships between the main variables in a research. However, it must be noted that a conceptual framework can also be an adaptation of a model in an existing theory, which the researcher adapts to suit his or her own research purpose. The other distinction lies in that a theoretical framework offers a general theoretical underpinning or undergirding of a research, while in contrast, a conceptual framework shows logically how the research inquiry is to be undertaken. Thank you very much. I hope this discussion has illuminated the difference between a theoretical framework and a conceptual framework. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.